There are endless opportunities in the market this week and you miss all of them. Shame on you. But no worries. I'm going to do a banger breakdown today so you can make up back for that next week. So let's get right into it. It's just a sweet feeling when you know what you're doing and know what you're looking for in the market, because the market is always presenting some great opportunities. But if you don't know what you're looking for, you're going to miss them last week and you're going to miss them every other week. So we're going to do a breakdown on how we can get some trades on things that happened last week and how you can benefit this week as well. So let's get right into it. Today is October 19, 2025, and it's now 11:09 in Jamaica. 10:09 in Jamaica, and we're going to do a next banger breakdown. So let's look at what US30 is doing. The market is just moving, and you have to understand the zones, your trends, your support resistances, so you can catch all these opportunities. Look here. So we see the market made this strong sell, and then we see now the market rejecting from our strong area of support resistances, because this is on the 2-hour time frame. You could have caught a little sell in this area. I did a midweek breakdown showing you how you could have caught that. We show how we could have caught the buy right here as well, and we show how we could have caught this sell as well, because the market did what they call head and shoulders, but we just understanding price pushing from our strong level of support resistance zone and price failing to break this strong level. So once we see price rejected here again, we could have started looking for trades to go down, and we could have also caught a trade from right here. But we see what the market is doing now. The market is pushing to go up, and currently the market didn't make any brand new structure. It is still this one structure that the market is playing from, because if you notice, no structure was made within this move. Let's look at it, because we're not missing anything. So price created this new low under here and just push down, and we now see it's just pushing up. So currently that is just one move still. So we're not getting lost in the stars and confused, because we know what we're doing over here at Team Coleman Chan. So currently the market can possibly tap back into the same resistance zone, support resistance zone, and push down, or based on it failing to go down, we can see it make a brand new structure, and then we can possibly take back price to go into this high. Because if you remember on the previous videos, I said I still think price has to come back to this all-time high. I'm now genie, but it's just based on my observation on the market and us studying it over time. We can know when certain things are likely to happen. So if you see it's failing to go lower, even though it's doing some nice sell opportunities, it's still failing to push go low, because we're still expecting the market to tap back into that all-time high. But all the tariffs and the news and all of that are affecting how the market is moving. But we're not letting that confuse us and throw us off our thing. We're just understanding the support resistance zone, the market structure, so we can catch your trade. So currently there is not much to do today. I have to do a midweek breakdown because no new structure is formed, but I gave you the thought process. If we see new structure forming to create new highs, then we can take price back up into this level, which I expect price to go to. But now currently this is just one move. Price broke under this and created a brand new low down here, but it rejected this strong level of support resistance and is now pushing up. So no new structure now, so we can't say we are going to buy or sell based on no new structure forming. And that is how we have to understand the market. Remember, we're not working off what we think the market is going to do. We are working off our strong level of support resistance zone and our market structure and waiting on the confirmation at our secret sauce zone. So remember, if you want to get the secret sauce, you have to link the Coleman Chan boss. That's the only way that you can get it. And if you want to understand this video, understand the thought processes, because that is really the winning part of it. the thought process is and understanding how the market works. Remember, watch a video 1,000 times, take notes, listen what I said over and over again, apply it to your chart so you can make the consistent profits that you want from the market. And if you want help with that, click the link in the pinned comments or in the description and grab a copy of my guide, How to Master Trading in Just 5 Minutes, so you can get results like what my guy is over here, turning $98 into over 1,500. You can do that too. So you have two choices you can tap in so you can get all the gems and take your trading to the next level. Or you can just continue doing what you're doing. You choose wisely though.